Yeah. Kaya is a $100,000 pure breed Tibetan Mastiff that I actually stole from a Chinese orphan. And I paid the CCP $1 million for the extraction. I specifically wanted it to be stolen from a Chinese orphan. 100% purebred. A designer dog. And you know who transported? You know who transported her to the United States of America? Hamas. That's right. Logistics were done for this deal by Hamas. Yeah. She had to cross the Red Sea on this treacherous journey. You know who actually gave her passage? The Houthis. That's right. Now you know. Why did I pay hundreds of thousands of dollars for her? Because she knows how to cook. That's right. All of those things were correct. It's all connected.